is serving, not your plate, not your plate. ये दिख रहा है.
And action.
What यार?
So you almost bump into him. And you want to? Is it possible? वो pen है ना? Otherwise, I thought he just wanted to do something like. What they're saying is that little irritation while you are walking out. I mean, finally with the bag.
I like the storyboard. You know, it's a very cute concept, yeah, between mother and son. It's got small little moments, small gestures, and I thought that was nice. It would be nice to do this particular. I've just stayed away because I just didn't think of doing an ad until Prasoon Joshi, who's the creative director and the writer, he called and he said, you know, I want you to do it. And I think his conviction that I should be doing it kind of got me into it. And besides, Britannia is a good old company, very well known. Well, I stay away from cookies, you know. But at one time, I used to eat a lot of meetha. So I guess it's good. It's a good brand. It's a good brand to associate with.
Okay, the way we looked at this film was that since the product is all about wholesome goodness and it has butter, milk and flavor lychee, the idea is that you know, sometimes when you miss a meal or you're angry or you just don't want to eat something, we're placing the product here. Whereas you know, in India, concern for food is very huge. When a mother is worried about the son not eating because either he's busy or he's has no time to eat, or if somebody's angry and get out of the table. Only in India, people are worried about food. Like, if you're angry, main khana nahi khaunga. So this is where the product is placed, and the story is about actually a young boy, a young son, who's little concerned that his mother hasn't eaten food because she's angry with him for whatever reason, and she walks off. And it's the child playing the role of the parent. And no matter what, I mean, it's a nice relationship of a mother who takes on of a son. But when the mother's angry, he's concerned that, okay, she's angry, she's not eaten, so it's my duty to worry about her. So that's when he calls her. It's about, he calls her and says, you know, you worry about everybody else, but don't you worry about yourself? You haven't eaten anything. Why don't you eat something that will, you know, will be healthy? Like the line is, "Jo tan ko lage, man ko chhuye." And that's when the mother realizes the son loves me, because the fact that he's concerned about me not eating, and he's called me and made sure he's put the cookies in my bag. It's actually a very realistic story. It's not a great concocted stuff. It's a real day-to-day life kind of a story. So that's where we place the brand. Yeah.
For this ad, well, one of the main things was Deepthi Naval is part of the ad, and I was excited about working with her, and Dadu, of course, and I think it's a good team, so which is important to me while choosing an ad to do. I love Britannia cookies. For as long as I can remember, I've been eating Britannia Good Day biscuits and Marigold, and yeah, I've always loved them, and I think they're great, healthy.
ब्रिटानिया कुकीज, तन को लगे मन को छुए।
मक्खन?
रात को फिर देर से आए ना?
हाँ, वो दोस्त के घर जरा पोहा गर्मा गर्म।
नानी का हाल पूछने गए थे?
मॉम आज जाऊंगा ना पक्का। मॉम नाश्ता तो कर।
ज्यादा लल्लू चप्पू करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे नहीं खाना।
जिंदगी
माँ मेरी बात सुनो, सबका ख्याल रखती हो और अपना। चलो बैग खोलो। खोलो, देखो अंदर कुकीज है। अब गुस्सा छोड़ो और कुछ खा लो जो तन को लगे। ओके बाय।
पौष्टिक गेहूं दूध मक्खन से बना, इलायची के स्वाद में घुला ब्रिटानिया कुकीज, तन को लगे मन को छुए।
एक टुकड़ा लाइफ रख